Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is I'm Leslie. I just want to continue on my previous videos, and if you've been watching my previous videos, I've been talking about how we live in a holographic universe. What if I told you that this concept is all about energy? So when you're dealing with energy, you're dealing with the human body. So the human body, just to give some basics, is consisted of, in the Western philosophy, they call it chakras. But in India, they have it a different name because these chakra concepts usually come from Eastern philosophy, particularly with India. So in the chakras, you have different portals, which are basically energy functions on the body. For example, you'll have something like your third eye. You'll have something like your throat chakra, your heart chakra, your solar plex, your sacral chakra, your root chakra, your crown chakras. And all of these are basically concentrated with different colors, and all of them are basically associated with that region. So for example, your third eye is connected to your psychic's vision, your crown chakra is with psychic knowing, your throat chakras is connected to your throat, your heart chakra is connected to your heart chakras, and your sacral chakra, your root chakra, survival, all of that. So that's basically how the energy moves in your body. Now, people can't see these chakras unless you have psychic vision. But really what this is, based on the colors, they're having like this energy body in your aura, and the aura is basically a combination of this energy body around you. Now, based on that color, you can tell if the person's healthy. So if that aura is really bright and vibrant, you can tell that that person's healthy because the energy is vibrant. Now, if the energy or the aura is dark, then you know that person has some healing to do, maybe has some sickness, maybe they have some shadow work they need to do. So based on the energy vibration of the body, you can tell if a person's healthy or not based on how the energy in the body is moving. So that's why in spirituality they focus on meditating, because the holographic universe is concentrated with your consciousness. It's always good to make sure your consciousness is aware, and you're basically, making sure it's nice and clean. And then you want to meditate, understand your thoughts, and understand how your life is manifesting. What are the universe that's manifesting outside? So when you understand that there's this energy, and the aura can extend. So for example of this is if you're ever outside and you feel someone staring at you, like up and down, it kind of feels like a nice warm vibration. You could tell that someone's staring at you and being entangled with you through your energy. And then that's how you know someone's staring at you. So that's a great analogy of knowing that someone can be staring at you because their energy, just looking at you, they're extending their energy at you. So that's how the energy body works. Another thing is when you're dealing with telepathic communication, it's like telepathic signals going between two people where they're kind of communicating, but just through their telepathic communication. It sounds crazy, but there is scientific technology right now called brain-computer interface, which is called BCI, or brain-machine interface, where now they're starting to get direct communicational link with the brain's electric activity, and they can have it linked to robotic arms, and based on the electrical signals you can actually now move robotic arms based on that. So that shows you that there's an electrical frequency that's happening with your consciousness. Also, when you have men that lose their arm or their legs or limb, there has a thing called the phantom limb. And what the phantom limb is basically, even though the limb is not there, sometimes they will still have itches on that limb. So the way that they would heal it is they would actually take a mirror and have it look like the limb's there, and then just scratch your arm, for example, and then that will actually alleviate the pain. So therefore, like, you're actually scratching a limb that's not there through the concept of what they call the phantom limb. That's just showing like how your consciousness can still make you feel like you have a limb if it's not there. Also, real quick, Dr. Masaru Emoto of Japan basically validated that with our consciousness, if we could pray into water and change the molecules and crystals, and he did a study with words like peace and love, and it had beautiful crystals versus something that was very like a bad word and had really bad functioning, which shows you that the illustration of your thoughts can be transmuted into water and change their functions. So therefore your conscience can go out and penetrate and interact with the universe. And that's my quick video. Hope you like it. Peace.